Let's see what's happening on MA6, the highway. Oh, that was just real quick closed. That's it. I'll get the hell out of here.